Hey friends, if you wish to show audio alerts visually in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now you can scroll down to accessibility and click on it. In the right pane, you can scroll down and select audio and click on it. There is an option which says uh, this one, flash my screen during audio notification. So earlier it would refer to visual alerts, now it has been changed. So this is how you can create visual alerts. Flash the title bar of the active window, or flash the active window itself, or flash the entire screen, whatever you prefer. See, here's the thing, I prefer to flash the title bar only, so that I don't need to have a flickering screen and that leads to interruption of work. That's why I select the first option, but you can select any of these. So this way you can create visual alerts for audio alerts. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.